learn about manufacturing, learn about machinery. Tim, I'm going to let Tim talk in a second, but you know, TMA, we're an association. Manufacturers are a member of TMA, and we help make them stronger in numbers, whether it be through their training, networking, we have 401k, health insurance, so stuff you guys don't want to think about right now, but eventually you will, so keep that in mind. But we're really here because there's a huge skills gap that exists, and we're trying to get young individuals interested in manufacturing. In apprentice programs, there's a whole earn while you learn concept where you go to school in the evenings and you work during the day, and most of our members are paying for all of our apprentices trainings, including textbooks, so you guys get a free education, and you're learning as you're going throughout your career path. You're learning, you're making more money the more that you know, and a lot of the times everybody's retiring. So some companies, they have about 80% of their workforce retiring in the next 5 years. So that's a great time. It's unfortunate for the companies, but a great time for you, because if you get on board right now, you're willing to just show up every day, Monday through Friday, sometimes on Saturdays, you could climb that ladder pretty quickly, because they need somebody to fill those shoes. And I did it myself. Now I'm at TMA, but I was only at a manufacturer for 3 years, and they were getting ready to groom me for our quality department supervisor, vice president of the company, and they were making a shareholder, all this crazy stuff in 3 years. And what I was doing before that, never took a machinery class. I was working retail. I didn't know what to do after high school. I didn't go to college. I didn't want to pay for it. My mom and dad weren't going to pay for it. So manufacturing really kind of, in a sense, it saved my life. It gave me something to look forward to every day going to work. And now I'm here. As much as I don't like talking and giving presentations, I'm really getting better at it. But I'm doing it because I want more people to be aware about manufacturing and the opportunities that exist within it. So Tim's going to tell you a little bit, and some of his guys, you'll hear it straight from the horse's mouth. But I'm happy to see you guys in here. And even if you don't, after high school, you graduate and this isn't what you want to do, and then maybe 3 years down the road, you're like, you know what, maybe manufacturing is for me. You still have what you learned here. You're not going to forget it. You might get a little rusty, but you're not going to forget it. It's going to come back to you once you start using it. So don't be afraid to use this to kind of fall back on, because you never know where life's going to take you. So I wish you guys the best in whatever you do. But Tim from Component, it's all yours.
Okay, well, good to see you guys again here. I just wanted to mention, this is for you students that are graduating and the counselors and administrators here at the school. The TMA is here to support manufacturing and machining. They're kind of hand in hand. How many member companies does the TMA have?
We have about 700 in the
700 companies
area.
In the Chicago area. And they're here making a donation, an investment, if you want to call it that, by supplying you funds to buy some equipment. You don't have this particular piece of equipment here yet, but it'll be one of the machines that you're going to be using and learning on. But I was here a month ago and talked to you guys, and you know, you've got a large program here in the school. You got the STEM system here. You got the machining. I don't know what other technical things you've got, but take a look at manufacturing for a second. Manufacturing is companies that make a product. Everything that we have has been made somewhere. And part of the jobs that people have available to them out there, you know, if you go to college for business or accounting or marketing or whatever you're into, companies, they are made up of people that make the product, and the structure around them is, you know, sales, accounting, engineering, all those things. So manufacturing doesn't just generate jobs for machining, it generates, you know, jobs all across the whole spectrum of the kind of jobs and vocations that you can work your way into. And I mentioned the STEM a couple times here now. And that's science, technology, engineering, and math.
Right.
All those things come into play. It'll be a lot easier to understand math when you work on these machines, but you'll have an opportunity to advance, like Leah said, that you know, she started out in one function and climbed the ladder. There's a lot of opportunities for you as you get into the work world. You got to be a little patient. You're not going to jump from here to here in a year or two, but you know, it's a slow progress. The TMA is making a big investment in manufacturing and people that are working. She said there's a skills gap. You guys are lucky to be in this opportune moment here to be able to start learning some of these trades and fill into those places that are going to be vacated by people retiring. Probably like me, that should be retired, but, anyhow.
Yeah, but you're the owner.
This is a great thing for the school here to be able to get these pieces of equipment in here and for you guys to learn on the program. How many of you got interested in the program next year? You guys are all seniors, right?
Right.
And
We've got over 100 students signed up, ready to go for next year.
man, you're gonna be teaching a lot.
You got it. You got it.
Well, you got what, 8 guys here right now? 2, 4, 6, 8 guys?
Yeah.
There'll be guys and gals in the program.
Right, yes.
You've got a lot of potential here to put people into the workforce. And I told you last time when I was here, there is some really terrific companies in our region here that are the leading edge of their industries. I told you how to find them, find out about them. You got that Illinois Manufacturers book
It's right
over
there.
there. If you want to see what's local for businesses, look in that book. Find out what companies do. They go on their website, investigate them, see if it's something you're interested in. You've got a lot of options around here. So, anyhow, I'm glad that TMA could do this for you guys, and you're helping yourself out here. I mentioned night school. Don't be afraid to apply yourself. You get out of life what you put into it. So you're not going to learn everything on the job training. You're not going to learn everything in college or in the military. If you go in, the military does the same stuff as well. All those things come together. When you get out of each respective college, high school, military, you're going to need something to do. You've got a great starting point with this kind of equipment here, and you can go into that industry, the manufacturing. So, best wishes to all of you guys here.
And if I could just thank the school, sorry, really quick, the school, because you guys are, you're supporting what they're doing here in the machine shop. You guys are letting them get machines. I wish my high school exposed me to this, because we had nothing as far as electives. So just thank you for your support. I hope you continue it, and TMA can help to continue supporting you guys and what you're doing and your machinery and your equipment. But I think a big thanks to the school as well.
Thank you. Like I was telling these guys, it's not every day that an organization gives out $1,000 to buy a brand new machine.
Right.
A lot of schools are brand spanking new. They either don't know or they're out of luck.
Right.
So,
No, you're welcome.
Thank you.
I hope
Thank
you
you
guys
so
make
much.
some cool stuff with it.
Oh,
Yeah.
definitely. We will definitely be making some cool stuff.